Most farmers work harder and harder but don't get results. They are stuck reacting instead of planning. A good system fixes that, making your business profitable, predictable, and even scalable. Today, I will show you how you can build a system around your farming business so it runs smoothly, makes it consistent profit, and grows without burning you out. Number one, plan your production. Know what to produce, when to produce, and in what quantity should you produce. So if you want to produce 1 acre of pepper, let's assume you've decided to produce 1 acre of pepper. First of all, you need to calculate the right timing that you will have to plant your nursery. So your nursery, for those that want to cultivate pepper, you start your nursery November, December. If you want to really make profit out of it, you start your nursery November, December, so that by March, April, your pepper will be ready. That way, your produce will meet high demand. Okay, but if you wait till February, March before you start preparing your nursery and the rest, the supply will be more than the demand. So you understanding when to produce is very, very important, and in what quantity you should produce. Number two is organizing your finances. I said something in one of my videos. I said when I started farming, I had a savings of over 4 million naira, and I wasted that money on experimenting. But if you ask me today, Julie, where did that particular money go? What did you spend it on? I have no idea. Only knew I leased land, I cleared, and those I cannot account for that money. And this is where tracking your finance comes in. Know how much goes out. If you buy a seed, record it down, because that money used to buy the seed. Now, as farmers, what we do is once we are planting, we plant per seed, because each seed must germinate to give us money. We don't just spray seed and pray that anyone that grows, because we use money. It's part of our cost of production. Each seed planted must germinate. But if you don't know your cost of production, if you don't track your expenses, if you don't track your finances when it comes to the agriculture business, you will not even know whether you are making profits or you are running a loss. So tracking your expenses is the key to avoiding surprises and planning your growth. The next step is delegation. When it comes to building system, you need people. I think that was what I got right, and that is what I am enjoying at this point. When I started, I did not come with the mindset that I want to do it alone, being the fact that then I was a young girl. I cannot clear the family. Even I had the energy, I cannot clear the family. So I had to make friends with people in the location, and I was ready to pay them. And as they were working for me, I saw people that were passionate just like me, and I started adding them to my team. And that was why when you reach out to me that, Julie, I want to do my farm setup, I need people that will clear my land, I need this, I can give you people, because these are the people that have worked with me. They are now like a team to me. If you need them, I send them to you, and they do a perfect work for you. You are enjoying the team that I built. So if you want to do it on a long run, you need to be able to delegate. For the past 2 years now, I have not been on field to say, I want to farm, I want to do this. But the farm is running because I have built a team. I have people that their own is to plant. I have people that they know that once it's ready, they will go and harvest. I have a logistic that will come and carry it to the market. I have someone that will help me to sell and send me money. Or if I'm the one that will go and handle the marketing, I already have people in place. I cannot be everywhere, not even with the current stage that I am now in life. I cannot be everywhere. So you need to delegate. You need to build a team. Having a team gives you time to focus on every aspect of the business. It gives me time now to sit and record this video. If not, I would have been on farm in field, sweating, looking for this, looking for what did not lose. So delegation is an important system you need to put in place when it comes to your agriculture business. If you have the device, the next point is automating and monitoring remotely. Automating and monitoring remotely. For me, I don't have an app that I use to monitor remotely. But what I just do is I check on random people. Hello, please help me to quickly go and check the farm location. I want to see if something. Check if so and so person is there. And once they reach there, oh, so person is there, or this person is not there. I don't just tell you to go and monitor this person. I use different people to check on them. So I already know when you're at the farm and when you're not at the farm. But if you have an application or devices that can help you to track your farm, I think I was speaking with someone that paid for a consultation session. The person was telling me that he has an app that he uses to track his farm. So if you are that person or you have an application like that, you can also use it to track your farm. This is just you being able to monitor it remotely. I've told you my own local way of monitoring my farm remotely. I have like different acres in different locations. So I use different methods to monitor them. So this is how you build a system around your farming business. If you want the step-by-step guidance on building a system, scaling your agricultural business, or even turning it into a real business, I've created all the templates you need, all the guidance you need into a course. And it's not only a course, it's now like a community, because once you join the Farmy Academy, you will have access to join others in the farming community. So for those saying, Julie, create a WhatsApp group, this is the only way I can create a community for like-minded people. So you can join the wait list by clicking on the link in the comment section or the link in the description box. The class will start in January. The first batch ever of the Farmy Academy will start in January. In that class, we cover everything, the system, your planting, value addition, everything is covered in the how to know the right agricultural business for you. These are the courses that we cover in the academy. So do well to join the wait list so that when registration opens, you will be among the first people to register before it closes again. All right, if you got value, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video.